to gold. Bebie no ane wo ma yesi untumi akose forest. Sir John, so beka ni omo che ni first no dey saying. BBB you know or dey saying. The omo che ni first no e wo forest ho no.
Why omo che ni first?
The untumi case, the first you know omo che no no. Ah ono koye say one Okum bi ase Okum bi na ede ne bae. Nti sa Okum na ase Okum ne koye report say ono so no one Bernard and Chibosi akone de hoye den ema no. So enti say John, issue no is not about say yes chairman untumi akose forest, but yes chairman untumi ama obi akose forest a nkrata nka ho a wa ma yes fact no. Mommy and clear no fact no. Na say John, baby amadi untumi lawyers no ho yawo kakraye. Say John, aden no ma untumi ekogi tum say on na de ho ma wo mo. Say John, the omo na according to untumi statement omagina so e de aba because of our accepting say on na de ma wo mo na mom o ka so mo nko reclaim land no mo mfanye dey friend say kube. Say John, aden na me as fast
obasa witnesses say o so e be cancer nti once witnesses say wo mo ma be cancer no o is dey ka say
Say John, na nipa no a trespass ya me den eye asem na eba
obo
o dabi emrane say na akonta mine in your licenses of small scale and why you adwuma no and what say koye den ko reclaim enti ono oni for
and he say no be kan no be kan legal team na
so but Sir John appeal no be ko Sir John me yes Sir John am kan me kan untumi ayi ho a e ka me ka chacha akwa no minim no se minim na ka case o enye case na me di baby ama paper ben bepem neso there is no document it shows all the home no etimi no he Sir John ya hwe akronfo no uchi criminals no mo ye trea the oye leader obetime yi on betwitwa ye den age no because on na eba akire no aye den wa betwitwa age no enti Sir John ye de aba asembeba na wa akwan kameka se minim ni baby a minim no ade no so ogitum na even though ogitum no kura no na was any lawyer man your statement no foforo ebi o mo share no because onim akwa no Sir John Mami bi no a high court judge no ti ahonjo wo de call yesi ba bi wo swagata se hen ho ye tuom nyina firi ho na ne maba Baptist Church and na obeye program bi ma yen that was 2007 the youth and the law e wona papa amini 2 yefo high court judge oba o se saoti akonwanum na obi gina dakam no osu a ya na eya by Ghana mran ba bia nu a atro se ono ye judge no usu a onye den onya it or advice and say so onya asem na okokota kasama ni Ghana mra no ense because one the mran ne be my judgment. Sir John, from there me very careful me kasa me careful. Sir John, me anka akwa me kasa me nim no because people bia nu approve say me di ba bia man so nkoye onya reclamation as a one no me man people na mposi ya chimeni ya do onu tuma as untumi as oya no owa akire no ko betimi atwitwa age no say untumi na akọ san krofo yi o me da twitwa age me wan krofo na 10 against wo akoya prosecution witness ono na wo so de hon man na wan ka kire say hon wo so boa e jare na o se mi save no Sir John ase we advice ma yenyina o etimi ne otia no ye ya de apepe patozo me de wan fa pepa antozo na koduru ba bia me ka se me nimu kura me no ntina ayi akoma kura da
se pepa na mu na we
den obi ana case na kosi Wednesday I got to say me ma Wednesday me ba Saturdays any
Jano prayer or choose as witness. Yes, any prayer no be say no ka say one of the directors.
On the son no crowd ambako to
one mako
ayi kwame ntwi
no ye kwame ntwi nko a
ba kono ayi no first one no
yes
ayi
Okum no say one
Okum no
and he was one of the witness
so no ya against
he was also one of the directors
Davio na ayo your friend say JB emra de enim bi kra nka bi wo testify say wo de ho ama no ade na asan bebusa nso ye hwan
na se me na okay
Yeah, be cross examination. You don't determine. You see, lawyers will come be bro first one.
exactly the point
Omodi epe omo
Sir John, I want to make a choice also you very
to get
careful.
your facts. And you want cross examination. Say what some they said they cross examine on would
Onya fact and obejina so dey.
the law has no conscience emra me answer emra fa ho say onye boni bia so ye do kokodu ohun asem kan ya
Ana me kan.
emra me answer but there is an aspect of it that is why there was an introduction of common law. And this common law, no judges know in their own discretion and in asifo bi no mo de eka ho e de pass your judgment. But that not to say I'm ready when they do. What
Na JB say the first statement no or agree so oni mo ma.
Anyway,
a lot that went into it.
And you woman senka cancer. Because the state prosecutors be who come be fast on so be.
Kwan bia kwan de o kan no de aka kwan ni ba bia bia.
I mean, so they say no.
Ka kwan ni because ji a oji tum no say wo ji ni ebi na me nu ebu say. Na ye ho no ye nye ayin entutu ho a o ye de ka chen say onko ye ayi ho.
Say ni nyina wie no enie.
So
they was akra.
Sir John ye be call your friend say review ade no
appeal
ye be call appeal e kwan da ho ayi NDC
microphone ni bi
meko bi appeal meko
microphone ni bi nso so
eno dia eno your friend underground ninja e bi sha ase ekura ye omo that time
7.9 Kumasi
eye bi mo de
hey oh I'm telling you underground e bi num de pa
I mean
it's reason worsening the case
ana your friend say JB ye nua no so a comment amwa no because I galam say can e bi aye ne ye chen wo de ade ne apeke wo nko wo de nya de bia na ye ma obi ate wonka because oh this issue now only president only vice only we there is a possibility so me won semu Sir John 2% check galam say kikan ya ye Wontumi nko ade na ye e bia ye bia omusika kromo mo bia hu but ya kata so politically bi kro ehia obi ehia opposition no enti lesson to yen say ubekasa tia panyi bi na onya power obehwe wo nsemu enti eno so amoa but mo some war situation GJ 111 GJ as a wo bi anywhere ya mo ombi muntu mu nkrofo no fo host for no mo host morning show host
enyo bia na member
because yeah my baby
enyo bia na
me share me ba me twa who JB etu minimum for kingdom we say o madam for but hot issue ba na e kan uti ga hey my friend asem we dey
but so ono
na be host to team director
you quite all control
they be control their whole life
but make us been sure the same judgment here no we are always looking for who broke the story and who is making the headline.
Yeah,
that is true. It is a woman but na ha no muse baby abeti na minim yansa say job be push mama kan kwase asem obetu bi say mama ma adwan adwuma meka kwase asem no ha no awie me pia na
ba say nya say ani kwan say Sir John so push wa ma kan asem dey asem
na woni adwene ni ha yeah me busu asem no na won so hu say akoyo pass mama me na no Dr. Richard na me o ha na no otina na me pass em bi afi me pie on the way akwara bone minka you see so this I mean
JB anti JB just imagine who dey no dey journalist na pay news who JB ni Sir John entimi kan chem say me ne wote ha because of the relationship I walk past ebe push me amanya asem point America no. So when we are with somebody we are close to one, and also pushing many issues.
Also smart. Because
enemy can.
What at the end of person who see when would him say president as my will cover president. I mean someone. I mean and the other host in here. No can you say
oh yes, say obi do charge so. Obi do say issue now what can.
There are two different things here. As at the time ana oche ho no na no kasa ansem hunu no ono na station ya na dia
well yeah fun I said John him near me kasa ayi ye ne menua a later obey me papa gidi samo sapon so obekaya me ne story bi almost charging me for treason. Say constitutionally, me say my be fan Crawford see me care me. Runabout obey demolition be on. Eti Kigeri or ye demolition we are Kigeri ye emiti press one. I'm so we go China I'm so me press conference. Eti we are there China a whole phone in call capital. And I'm a Kobe. Any a young in church James are the oil no and yamra kwan because assembly no kwan yawe. Say. Ye we na say John mercy for mu ko JB. Unsa capital so ya no more radio a work compound me see ko. And I'm say one of our mechanics no penyin no a friend bra kwa na me so kaza mete no kreso. Say sapo anhwe ya ye ba be shike me ni ahye na fra.
Treasonable like.
Say John asema me ke e hwa na me sa fro esro. JB time all kasa nyina at that time host ne te wo went me antwe akwa ne kra anwia so on retracted na onye busy eti me fro sro no ena me ka kire ne se maza say time ochi e koma mo sa ade ne nya ne nkire se e be mo kwan mo aye ne mo ye de mpe Mr Host word no kind no man retracted statement no me repeating it 3 say join na boa me say we na saponde ayi police car mo ensama esisi we na me ka e bi esi atwamo ba capital say capital for nso mo de say mo de bia mpo before born for no press o mo record o sin ni nyina na om de awia na om de tum ne take level from Kumasi Nkran afi sapon honfo ade a che sapon free press five om nya story ni nti opoma every year so opoma asem we me coin papa coin later frame e kobo tape JB ene boa me eti de bia statement ye kasa o radio so a ye nya very careful especially and then young girls here or chin video chin phone na o cassette apanyini hey maza unya asem da.
Look at the magnitude of Wontumi case. Then you have somebody like a lawyer or a lawyer, certified lawyer like Maurice Ampao. Then he will come out to speak such language and it's answer no way. You are rather provoking the system. What I say?
Say ono na so hwe no.
Unim dio. It's
Sani asema to no nkasa.
Krano ye nim ra no kra no. Okojira court be catch say ignorance of the law has no excuse. But what the unim ra.
Na Sir John papa lawyers no so me dey. Attach ya. Sir John me